Page 36, Old French Song. And this is from a group of pieces called Album for the Young, except this one is written by Tchaikovsky, not Schumann. Let's look it over. It's 2 pages long, 2 pages of music. It's okay. I don't see any repeat signs or nothing, so it looks like it's 2 pages long. Treble bass clef has 2 flats in the key signature, so it's either in the key of B flat major or G minor. Now, if I look at the last measure at the bottom of page 37, it's here. That's a G minor chord. The B here. G minor chord. We'll figure it's in G minor. Do the scales in our pages for both, though. B flat major and G minor. This way you get accustomed to the notes in the key, and you just automatically play the right black keys. You don't have to worry about which keys are flatted again. You just play in the key. It works wonders. 2 4-time signature, right hand first. We have a pickup beat. We're coming in on the end of 2. 2, 1, and 1. That way we have enough fingers for what's coming up, because we're on an E flat eventually. 2. Now measure 6, 1 and 1 and 2, 1 E and a 1 E. And anywhere else that this passage comes, I'm figure it the same way. Measure 17. You don't need the 3 there. I mean, you're 3 already. In measure 17, 18. They give you a 3. You don't need it. You're already on third finger. Now, measure 20. Now, a thumb. And you can, on measure 21, you can play the first note with second finger also. You don't have to go with 3 and then a 2. You can go with 2. And measure 23 is then cross over to here. We do this quite a bit. Okay. Last line on measure 28. Okay. I'm not going to do 4 here. And it doesn't fit under the fingers real well here at the end. The last 3 measures. Cross over to 4. But they want you to do a 1, 3. And then slide the thumb off. And then do a 5. I do a 2 on that. And that's okay, you can do that. But you can also connect all these notes if you wanted to. So here I'm going to reach down and use the little finger. We do this quite a bit. Because you know with the thumb and the index finger you're going. Well, here you can do the same. When there's a black key involved, not too bad. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a 5, 2 here. And then we'll slide the 2 off. And then I can do a 4. And I can connect them all. So again, measure 29, 30. Measure 30 is here. 4, then a 2, 5. Slide the 2 off. And then a 4. And I got them. Left hand. Left hand's got 2 voices. You got the bottom voice is the half note tied to a quarter note. And it's tied a lot. It's the upper at the same time. So there's an overlap. So you hold this down. Now hold the B flat down. Now hold the G down. Now in measure 4, you don't hold the B flat down, it's just a quarter note. That's by itself. And in measure 6, here I recommend it's a repeated note. Come down and do a 3. Here. And measure 7, hold the C down, and then 2, 3, down. And then back up again. Measure 16, broken chord, and you have to come over the thumb because it's more than an octave. If you have really super big hands, you can do that. You don't have to worry about it, but most people would just do over. And come down. Here I would do a 2, 4. This is measure 18. You can do a 2-1. There's nothing, because we're doing 2-1 on all of them, so that's fine if you want to. Major 21, I do a 5-4 on that. That's a G. And then the chord is a C minor chord, a C, an E flat, and a G. Do it some more. However, I don't know how big your hands are, how easy this is, but don't move around any more than you have to. Put the hands together, and I'll hesitate, but that's okay. So I got that G in the left hand down. Here. Now just 2 notes there in major 4 in the second beat. So I'll put the heads together, and then I'll go back over just a few measures at a time, and I work out the hesitations slowly. And once the hesitations are gone, I'll think about the articulation. Words. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. I'm putting in the phrasing. Left hand also. Staccato, and then, and does it work? I don't know. Put in the articulation, and then I'll put in the dynamics, and that applies to the right hand. Melody, softly, very soft. It's kind of a counter melody. It's still soft. Now, measure 17, they give you another soft. Well, I've been soft the whole time. However, this is sort of like another section, a different melody. Times when they do that, they'll give you a dynamic to make sure, whatever you are, make sure you start measure 17 soft here, and very soft. Crescendo, measure 20, soft, a little louder. Now, moderately loud. Soft. Come down to, back down to soft. Soft. Very soft. Yeah. You don't need to play page 36 at all soft. You're in that area. You can get a little louder and softer if you feel it. Whatever. Feel it. Then the speed, which I've been going way too fast because it shortens the video. It just it's a feel of one, because of all the eighth notes, I'm going to slow it down. 1. Somewhere in there is fine. Maybe a little faster, but no slower than that, I don't think. Now they've added pedal. I don't know. I don't know if this is just an editor's idea of the pedal or if Tchaikovsky put in the pedaling. I haven't seen the manuscript. I don't know exactly what it is. But I'll just pedal it like they're showing. Let's see what it sounds like. In the second full measure, we'll put the notes down first and then the pedal. And then lift it up right after I play the notes in the next measure. Measure 8. Lift it as you play the staccato. We want to hear the staccato. Now measure 17, you can't pedal this or you lose the staccatos in left hand. So forth. But in measure 20, I would not pedal it until measure 21. Because I want the staccato. And I think I would lift it on the 8th wrist. Right after you play the 8th note, lift it up. I want to connect the 8th note. I want to connect that, but I want to hear the rest in the left hand. And measure 24, lift the pedal with the right hand. It's a phrase, like taking a breath. The left hand's a quarter note. So I'm going to hold that down as I play that. And then come up. Yeah, that's how it's basically pedaled. At the end, the last 2 measures, you're here. And then change. That's what I think it should go. There's probably lots of recordings of this too. Remember the natural accent. 1, 2, 1. Beat gets a little accent. 1. Yeah. I'm exaggerating them so you can hear it a little better, but you just feel the natural accents all the way through.